How do we use our tongue to make people like us? Is it possible to make people like us in 5 minutes? Hi, welcome to a Sales Breakthrough with AngelaOh. If you're new to this channel and are keen to find out how to increase your sales, do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. In my last video, I have touched on using our 5 sense organs to create a good impression and make people like us. I spoke about using our ears and eyes. Today, I'm going to share with you the use of our mouth and tongue. We can use our mouth and tongue in a few ways. Smile is something we can all do easily. Most of the time, when we start to smile at others, the other party will also reciprocate. We make the other party feel good, and this makes us feel good as well. It can also open doors to a great conversation. I used to have a neighbor who appeared hostile when I first met him. However, there was one morning when I decided to befriend him by smiling at him. That was how our conversation started, and now he would chat with me whenever we meet. Giving words of encouragement and praise can also work magic. This is not about flattery, but about identifying positive areas to acknowledge someone. It need not be just about the physical appearance, but it could be the attitude or anything that a person does that is praiseworthy. It will help to uplift the person's spirit and make them feel good about themselves. Having a sense of humor also helps to relax a tense situation and can be a good form of icebreaker. I love to share my proven sales tips and techniques, so if you have anything regarding sales that you would like to learn, let me know by typing in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, as I'll be sharing with you sales tips every week, every Tuesday and Thursday. Remember to turn on your notifications so that you can get the latest updates.